No matter who you are, where you're from, you will definitely come and see this once you see this video. I promise you, it's got so much of importance. This is basically called Shetty Halli Church. Basically, it's on a Himawati river, very close to Hassan. Okay, if you don't know where Hassan is, it's in Karnataka. I'm trying my best to get some lovely shots. New day, new place. If it's on Google, it should be my channel. That's my logic. But many times, Google will not recommend my channel. I don't know what Google has got against me, but it's a beautiful place if you are into videography, photography, you want your face in front of this, you should come. You should definitely come. This is actually, if you see that, it will be submerged during rainy season and a monsoon season. Oh God, what happened to my drone? It's spinning around. It is. No, 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 no. I'm trying new tricks, okay? I'm trying. I'm learning. I'm learning. Please, please, please. You have to have some patience. Okay, so there are new tricks that I can bring on the table, and because your favorite YouTuber might not have shown you all this, right? The way I bring it, I'm the guy who's been traveling for the last 1.5 years in the country. So many places you can see on my channel. There's no way that you'll miss it. Other thing that I want to say, look at this. I'm trying a new shot where the drone should go, through that. Unfortunately, it was going to crash. So I had to pause it and then do it. I'm still a beginner. I'm still a beginner, okay? Pardon. Okay. But I will get pro. I will become pro. Okay, I was somewhere. Has your favorite YouTuber shown you all this? The sun is behind the camera, so the footage is going to be great. But I'm trying to do the same thing, going through it. I can do better. I think given time. If you come back again 2 3 days and keep trying it, I think I will come out with better shots. But nah. Once and for all, you've seen it, that's it. Why do you have to come back again? Look at that. Appreciate, comment, say that you've done a great job. You won't do that. That bike is not mine, okay? There's a bridge there. All this will be flooded during monsoon time. I don't know what you can see at that point of time. It's great to come off season. People believe that I need to come in the season time only. You come, you might not even see this. How is this standing? After all that, I don't know. I really don't know about it. I need to get the drone through this. Will it happen? It will happen. I need to move. Only thing, what I realized was my lens should have been a little higher. It would have been a great shot. I didn't know at that point of time. Because it's not easy, you understand? It's not easy. There's a lot of pressure when I'm actually taking the shots and all that. I make mistakes. I accept it. But it's okay. It's okay. Look at this. I'm in the center stage. Imagine some time back, some years ago. Oh, this one is very important. Imagine there's a movie shot here. The cars are coming in. The drone, let's say car is coming in. Two different things. Car is coming in and then you pull the drone back, or car is coming in and the car is going forward and you pull the drone back. It'll be beautiful shot. It's going to be beautiful. We started from beginning. That was all aerial shots. This is what you're going to see naturally from the ground. We entering. So people start from the beginning. I start from the last. Look at this. How beautiful this is. How it is still standing, people. What did they make out of it? I don't know. What did they do? Hampi is in ruins. Many places in ruins. Oh, to talk about so many places I've covered in my channel. Trust me, if you want to go anywhere in the country, just go to my channel and type that place. You will get it because I would have covered it. I promise you I would have covered it because that is how much I love my country. I will go overseas to check how overseas is, abroad, foreign, but I love my country. That's more important. That's most important for me. Wow. Looks like Charminar thing, no? The shot. No, it is not. It's Shetty Halli Church. For those who believe in God and believe in Jesus, go on your knees, pray, pray. I'm here to explore. That's it. That's it. Look at this beauty. Look at the effort I'm putting in. You know me, I don't know you. Why didn't you give me a comment and tell me who you are? Because I've got a lot of plants. Maybe you will be a part of my plant. Look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's actually difficult, to shoot, you know, making sure that the drone follows you, do all that. The footage could be a little slow and all that, but what to do? I love doing new things, you know. I want to bring my face in the picture. Otherwise, you'll say that, oh, you have captured someone else's, picture and then posted it. No, look at this. I want to take it through this. I showed you earlier, didn't I? I'm here. I'm showing you my face now. But anyway, it's a beautiful place for you to come and spend the time. No matter where you are, in the country or in the world, you can make it here. You can just make it. Rameshwaram I've seen, but nothing is standing. But here, look at this. It's all standing. Even Hampi, many places are destroyed. But certain places like this, there is history. There is history in other places as well. But here you can see it, enjoy it, and all that. Come with food, but don't dirty the place. I request you, don't dirty the place. I asked you. I looked back at you. Please. If, let's say, the other people dirty it and go, and then you come, how will you feel it? You'll not like it, right? Imagine him of the river is all over. Put my foot there. It's going to be on top of any place. I'm trying new shots. I'll take you to a place called Goru Dam next, okay? Come with me. Enjoy the journey. If you can't physically be there, you can see it. Someday you'll get excited. You will come. The amount of travel that I've done last 1.5 years, you might require 10 years to cover it if you just do one trip a week. Stay alive because you got to watch. See you. Bye.